What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to install this Snorkel into your Subaru Crosstrek. So let's just jump right into it. So first we're going to want to take this air box off, and then we're going to replace this with the extension system. Now once we remove this, it should give us a lot of space to work with. So just going to be a little flathead. I'm going to pop this off too, just to give me some more space. So it has these clips. And it looks like there's one bolt. There's one bolt here. And then there's one on the bottom right there. Then I believe there's another one down here on the left. So you're going to get this bolt over here on the right first, and it's a 10mm. Should be pretty easy to take out. And there's one on the inside here. I'm going to use a 10mm wrench for this one. And then once it breaks free, probably just take it out by hand. Then you have to disconnect the mass airflow sensor. I'm not 100% sure what it's called on here. So it's going to have a bunch of these clips that we're going to pop off, and then we should be able to pull it off. It should be pretty easy. So as you can tell, I got it pulled back so that it's going to give us a lot of space in here to run the tube in. And then once I run the tube in, I'll know where I'm going to cut the hole in the fender to put the actual snorkel. I'm assuming it's going to go somewhere around here, but we'll find out. I'm going to plug this up to here, and then we'll run the tube in from this through the fender and out there to see where we're going to come out at. I'll put this in on the hose coming out of the car, get it tight. You want to make sure it's tight, you don't want this coming off. Now we're going to take our flex type. So this will run along here and kind of bend in like that, and that's how we're connected. Before we get the hose on, you got to make sure you put this middle piece on. This is going to be the mount for the actual device. So I'm not going to mount it yet, but I'm going to get it on. Once I get the piping on, it'll be hard too. Now we're going to take our flex type Oh, I think that's a good spot. Go start on the other side. Hey, you want to give me a hand real quick? Circle this while I hold it up here, just outline it. Yeah, it needs to go here. So I have them each marked. Right, now I'm going to start drilling. This is a little nerve-wracking to be sure, but it'll be fine. I may have to go bigger, we'll see. This is just more to get it lined up. The bottom half mounted. It's not completely tightened down yet. I'm going to move up here and I'm going to do these three. So I got them marked out, the Sharpie, and then I'm going to do a small drill bit to drill a hole, and then I got pop rivets that I'm going to use the rivet gun to put in. Alright, so let's get to it. I'm trying to get one that's close to the size of the rivet. This one might be a little too small. I'll try this one. Hopefully it works. Alright, so now I'm going to use the pop rivet gun to rivet these things in there. Shouldn't be too difficult. So when I was doing the finishing touches on it, I somehow lost the video or it didn't record. I don't really know what happened, so I'll just kind of show y'all what I did. Here's what I got going on. It's kind of a mess right now. I ordered some more hoses to clean it up, but I got the intake going to the MAF sensor, and then the MAF sensor going to the filter, and it goes out to the snorkel. I have this turned around backwards because it's raining and I feel like it'll just suck up all the water and it kind of defeats the purpose. So I actually have a different top I'm going to end up putting on. But there she is, that's the setup. It wasn't too bad of an install. Just got to be patient. Like I said, I am going to clean this up. I put some flex tape around it just to make sure it was sealed and watertight. So it's not pretty right now, but it works. And as soon as I get the next hoses, I'll put those on and show y'all what it looks like with those. Hey guys, that was the video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll leave a link to all the parts that I used in the video so you can do the install yourself. And as always, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.